Hello people, today what I'm going to be talking about is the Night of Champions with CM Punk versus John Cena. First, I'll just start off by, I want you guys to tell me what you guys think about that match and how AJ decided it by herself without John Cena saying he has respect, but that he has to say CM Punk's the best in the world or something like that. I don't agree with that. I don't think CM Punk is the best in the world. Just because it says it on a shirt, don't mean it's true. And he's been the champion for like the 200 and something days. But I'm still a John Cena fan, so I'm still rooting for John Cena. So that's my opinion. Who I'm going for and what I think what happened on Raw. 1,000 something, I don't know. But I want you guys to subscribe and tell me what you guys think about that match and who do you think's gonna win. And I was gonna say something else. Tell me about Night of Champions if you guys get to watch it, because I'm not watching it. I'm just gonna go online and wait for it to come up and then know what happens with John Cena and CM Punk. But on my opinion, I think that there's going to be somebody coming in and disqualifying or something like that. Like Big Show coming in and then ruining John Cena's chances or ruining CM Punk's chances. Something like that. But I know that John Cena is going to be in his home state or hometown with all his fans rooting for him, which should be his fans because it's like his hometown. So I will be waiting to watch that, and all the time on Raw, after that day happens, they'll know. So that is what I'm talking about today. For Night of Champions, all these matches that are going on, this is what I know. I know there's going to be a Divas Champion match. Of course, they're going to be from, I forgot her name, Layla, I think. Because if I say I think, okay, I want you guys to subscribe or leave a comment or something like that so I can know what it is. Because I really don't know all the Divas names. I know the I mean the superstars names, the boys. So that's about all I know. So I want you guys to tell me what you guys think about the John Cena CM Punk match for the championship. I want you guys to know, and I want to see your guys' opinion. So just leave a comment there. Bye.